Okay. Hello, Aurora. Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay. How are you today, Aurora? It's
Good.
okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can we start now, Aurora?
Yes.
Okay. I will start to share my screen, Aurora. Just wait. Okay. This our second bit. We will talking about variables. Mm, Before we go to this material, I will ask you, Aurora. Uh, how are your grade? I mean, seventh grade, eighth grade, or ninth grade, senior high,
Seventh,
seven,
seventh grade.
junior high school.
I'm in seventh grade.
Okay. Have you ever heard about variables in math?
Yes.
Ah, what is variables? What do you think variable, in your opinion?
It's like alphabet, but it's to replace like an unknown number at all. Like
Ah, as you can see, we are talking about X and Y, isn't it? Yeah. It's same like that, but it's like a difference. What we okay? It's okay. It's almost same with variables in math, but okay. Before we go to the variable, let's refresh our last lesson about
okay.
how to display text in Python. Still remember about this, Aurora?
Yes.
So when we want to print display the text in Python, just add print function here, print function, and then add the bracket, and then don't forget with the quote. You can use single quote or double quote, but it must same with the beginning and the end. If you use single quote, it should be the first single quote too, just like that. And then if you have a more than one sentence, you can use comma for the separator. It will automatically adding the space. As you can see here, there is no space here, right? There is no space. But
Yeah.
when you add comma, it will automatic space. Sorry, I mean hello and then space without comma because comma is outside of the quote. Okay, next. Mm, mm. So remember about this? 2 multiplied by 7 equal
14.
14. Okay, that's right. What about this? 28 divided by 2 equal
14.
it's like what about this? Same member?
Oh,
Remainder of division. Okay.
6.
Yeah. Yeah, 6. That's right. Wait. And then what about this? Uh the first line, it will print the first line, it will
Yeah.
print, it will print.
If we print it, it will jumlah.
Uh I mean, what's the number? What's the result?
uh,
The first
8.
line, 8. Why? Why not 14?
Because it will do the multiplication first.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah. Same as like math. We will calculate the multiplication first, and then we go to the first the subs the sub I mean the plus. Okay. How do if we want to plus this part first, we must add the bracket. Okay. Yeah, same as like math. Okay, let's go to the variables. Okay. Uh, Variables, for easy to understand, it's just like a box. just like box. And then you can store any value. I mean, like you can store number, for example, like 8 or 10 or 2 or maybe 3.14. And then you can also store like string or words like my name is Denny, like this. And then you can store anything, anything in the box. It's called variable. Uh, each variable we can uh like set the name, like maybe name like this. For example, like this. We have variable name hours equals 6. And then I have variables to name minutes equal 42. If I want to print, according to statistic, blah, 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 and then internet users spend hours. Hours mean,
6.
and then hours,
Minutes is 6:42.
Okay. If you don't understand it, let's copy it. Okay, I will try to run it. Wait. Mm. Mm. Okay, wait. Wednesday, 19. Okay. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. The first line, I have variable name hours equal 6, and then I have variable called minutes equal 42. And then I will print it according to the statistic, blah, 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 blah. Spend 6 hours. 42 minutes online every day. If I run it, it's like this. Understand?
Yes.
Then, okay. If I have a variable hours 6 like this, and then I will print it, it will display what?
6.
Okay, that's right. If you don't trust me, let's try it. Just like this. Okay, that's right. But why there is 2 lines here, but there is only one here. As I can as I said before, to display the sentence in this Python, just use print. If you don't use print, it will not print anything. Okay. But like if you have like 10 line of code, but you only use one print, it just only print one line. Okay, Aurora? Understand?
Okay.
Okay. That everything that you can see here, just use print. If you don't use print, it will print nothing. Okay. What about this? I have hours equal 6, and then hours equal 7.5, and then I will print it. It will print what?
7.5.
Why?
Because it's the latest.
That's right. The latest. Like this. Okay. What about this? What if I change it into 4, and then hours is 2.4? It will print.
2.4.
That's right. Okay. And then is the rule for variables name ineffective name. We cannot use this name of variable because other programmers will not understand what is variable stands for. A, what is A? Okay, maybe I understand it, but you maybe don't understand about it. What is A? What is num? Number of students at school. Okay, we can understand it, but the name is too long. It's not convenient to use. Okay, all right. You can use
Okay.
anything, name of variables, just like this. We can understand it. Hours, okay, it means hours. Okay. This, for example, for effective name. So name, Smith. We can understand it. Ticket price, and then amount students. Okay. Is the type of data types. There are two big of data type. There are numeric type and then string type. Numeric, as you can see here, only number. If you use print function, it uh you can use print without uh adding adding quote for print the number, and then for string type just like this, like word, sentence. Okay. I will ask you, Aurora, why this part becomes string, not numeric? Why?
Because it has the dot itu yang itunya apa namanya,
Quote.
parenthesis.
Uh,
Wait.
Parenthesis is this. Parenthesis, it's quote.
Code.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And then what about this? Daily salary equal 1,000 and then days equal 22. Total, I have variable called total equal daily salary times days. Print total. So total is
Total is 22,000.
that's right. Okay, that's right. Okay, what about this? What about this? I have daily salary 1,000, days 22, daily salary 500, and then total equal to daily salary times days. Print total. Total,
1,100.
okay, 11. 11.
11,000.
Okay. Okay. Any questions so far, Aurora? I think you can understand it well. I think
Yeah.
there's no,
No.
yeah, no questions so far. It's okay. We can start now, Aurora. Just go to the course and then let's go to the first module and then lesson 2, number 3. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You can start to share your screen now, Aurora.
Okay.
Oh, you can refresh it. Ah, yeah.
Mm,
You need help for this question or no?
I want to try first.
Okay. Maybe I will give you a clue. Mm, there are 3 options that is right. So one is incorrect. Okay, good job. All right. Next question.
Okay. Mm, Eh,
Okay, good. Okay.
Surname is Smith.
Can you understand the question well? What the question one? You touch it just like just print like this. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Print guide. Yeah.
Right. And then you need to add Smith. But where is Smith come from? You need to analyze it. Where is Smith come?
Wait. Oh.
Mm.
Eh. Oh.
Yeah, that's right. But as you can see here, Smith, is it string or is it like words or number?
String. Yes, string.
So you need to add this Smith, not this variable. For variable, you no need for need the quote. You need to add the quote, the Smith, not the surname.
Oh, this in Smith.
No, no, no. I mean, you just need to add quote here.
Oh, in here.
Yeah. For this part, just type the variable surname. Yeah, that's right. Mm-mm. Okay, next.
Then
Total. Where's total come from? It's from this part. Total equal people. People. Where's people come from? Is there any people variable?
no.
Uh, we need to revise it. Mm-mm. Okay, then price. Where's price come from? Albert.
Price, ticket price.
Uh, yeah, you can run your code. Mm-hmm. Just directly use a checklist.
Oh,
Uh, can I
okay.
understand?
Yeah.
Okay, it's easy, right?
Yes.
Okay, just next. Okay.
Mm,
Mm-hmm. Okay, good.
adults time adults play.
Okay. Okay, just be careful with this part. It it have empty space. Uh, okay. Okay. Uh,
Equals total.
mm-mm.
Yeah.
Ah, Adults
Oh.
price. Adults price.
Yeah.
Adults price. Ah, okay, good. Oh, okay, then children are sip. Good job. Awesome. Okay. You need to analyze where is 15,000 came from.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Family of three conductor. People nih. Luggage. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Right. Wait, transport is wait. Okay.
I think there's no problem with this number. You just need
Okay.
to create the total. You need to create the formula and then print it. Just that.
Eh. Luggage. Itu ada 3 orang kan? There are 3
Mm-mm.
people.
Yeah, that's right. Uh-uh.
Okay. Ya kok
Mm.
ini?
Mm.
Ah. Eh? Oh,
Times.
times 3
Just
people.
call the variable. Uh, call the
Times
variable.
people. Oh, times people.
Ah.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
Print cost.
Mm-mm.
Ini nggak ada ini pakai like this or spasi. Wait, it's
Space. Space. Uh-uh. Okay.
total.
Okay. So. Okay, good. Okay, next. Okay. What is the price?
The price.
Just type it. Only the number. Without period, without comma. Just write the number. Okay, and then new price is we have 35% discount here. Can you calculate the discount? Can you calculate the discount?
Oh, it's, how do you calculate the discount? Like, how do you type it?
Okay, you can see the tips here. Just click it. For example, let's say the tip costs 100 rubles. The travel agency announced a 10% reduction. So the formula just like this. The basic cost and then basic cost times the discount.
Okay. New price. 6760.
Just call the variable. Just call the variable.
Oh yeah, price.
Uh, minus. Oh, minus. Price minus price times the discount. Like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can add the
Last minute
just print it first and then add the value, add the new price.
print.
And then display the new price. Okay, just run it. Okay, let's see. What's the
Oh
let's see.
yeah.
Okay, maybe there's a mistake. You can check the question. Last minute
Oh
trip.
ini.
You forgot the colon.
Yes. Heh.
Okay, let's see again. I will help you. Okay, last minute trip cost price minus price times 0. Is the number is right?
No.
Okay. Okay, good job. All right. Okay. Okay. Can I stop your screen? I will explain the next lesson.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the next material. Okay, for the next, we'll discuss about data input. Starting this second, you just display, and display again. Now, we'll learn about how to input the data, enter the data. We can use input function here. Let's try it. Laboratory. Okay. Is the variables name, and then this one is input function, and then this sentence is for the hint. Let's see. if I run this code, it will display like input data. So you can input the data here. Enter the manager's surname. It's same as like this parameter, input parameter. Okay, Aurora.
Okay.
So for the next, if you see this symbol like arrow 3 times, it means input function, not print. Okay.
Okay.
Let's fill this surname, manager surname like Denny. Enter the city. Input function, and then that we input here, it will store to this variable. Where is that? It will store to the city variable. Like I'm from Kudus. I will fill it with Kudus. The branch manager in city. City means Kudus is Denny. Okay, understand, Aurora?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we can skip it. Input function, a hint for users. Don't forget to add the hint, because if you don't add the hint like this, it will show just like this. There is no hint. So you need to add the hint. So the user will understand what should we fill it. Okay. Okay. What about this, Aurora?
At surface.
Uh-uh.
Surface.
At surface. Okay. I will input the data. Let's say 500 like this. So total. Wait. Total equal 2,500 plus add services. And then print total price equal total price. Total what is total?
Uh, 30,000.
3,000. Let's see. If I enter it, it will give like error like this. What's the problem? By default, Aurora, by default, input function will store with like a string data type. So if I fill this input function like 500 like 500 like this, it will store to add services like this 500 at the quote. Okay, so we cannot add number with string. We cannot do this. Okay, Aurora.
Okay.
So how to summarize it? We must convert it first. We must convert the string into number. We can use in function, integer function. Eh, uh, we can use integer function like this. So if I fill this input into 500, it will store to add surface like with quote, and then we convert it to integer or number. So it will become 500 without quote, and then you can add total here. So it will result 3,000.
Okay.
Like this, okay? Are you sleepy, Aurora?
Bit.
Uh, okay. It's fine. Okay, any questions so far, Aurora?
No.
Okay, we can start to do the next task. Just go to the lesson 2, number 4. Okay. Uh,
Okay. For your turn.
You need a clue? Maybe
Uh,
how many the answer that's right? Or wait, I will check it.
okay.
There are four right options.
Okay.
Four.
The valid entry binary. The result of the input function can be stored in a variable. The input function is used to enter data from the keyword. Input function is used. The input function is data from the keyboard. The output of the input engine always is string. You can write the hint.
Hey, let's see which part that input function and then you can write. Mm-mm. Okay, that's good.
Okay. Okay. Third name. Put input.
Mm-mm.
Third country. Input.
Mm-mm.
When request
Mm.
surname comment.
Please check carefully, Aurora. There is space here.
Ini udah kayak gini.
Okay, you can write. Okay. Enter the last name. You need to type. You need to type it. Okay, that's good. Next.
Hotel. Input.
Mhm.
So the trip. Udah.
Okay, let's try to run your code.
Eh. Hmm.
Any problem with line number 6?
Oh, koma.
Mm-mm. Okay, good job. Next question.
Price. Eh, bukan.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Good job.
we oh,
Yeah, I think it's easy for you.
mm,
Okay, Aurora, there is comma here. So you need to add comma again after O.
Okay.
Okay, you can continue it. Tips 2.
Comma. Oh, destination. Kalau kalau besar kecilnya ngaruh nggak caps kayak gitu?
Ngaruh.
Destination. Are suits.
Oh, you forgot to add comma here after
Here.
to. Yeah, comma. Mm-mm.
Oh, ini koma lagi.
Okay.
Oh,
Destination. Destination. Destination.
Hehehe. Destination.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, sip. Good job. Okay, I will stop your screen. Okay. About this lesson, any questions so far? Or I think you got sleepy. You can take a sleep after this, Aurora. Okay, thank you, Aurora. I think enough for today. After this, I will still have another class, so I will stop for this meet. Thank you, Aurora. See you next week, and bye bye, Aurora.
Bye. Thank you.